We started with a bit of a hack. We come in and we got dropped off at the Contemporary for $11 via Uber from where we're staying at Palm Parkway. So that's not too bad. You cut out all the traffic from your boats, your monorails, etc. It's looking a bit cloudy. There's a possibility of rain of about 5 o'clock, which will cool things down just a tad. Go on in, go on.
I got closed temporarily.
Dole Whip time. Rachel is going for the pineapple upside down cake. I'm going for the Fritz Freeze, which is like a raspberry swirl float. These are very much your traditional Magic Kingdom type refreshments, and they are gorgeous. Now apparently these are supposed to be the most healthiest snack you can have. I don't know whether it's sugar free, etc., but that's what legend has it, but we'll soon see. That's the pineapple upside down cake, which is basically a donut with a swirl on it. That is a Fritz Freeze. It's got raspberry, vanilla swirl, some sort of chocolate ganache, and the pineapple float. Some merch coming home with us. It's not actually that bad. $30 is quite reasonable. I've got the Dune buggy last time out, which was 3 years ago. I just think I'll start collecting these pieces. This will be our next ride, something we've not been on for donkey's years. I cannot honestly remember the last time I went on the boat. Who needs a Disney cruise when you've got the Liberty Belle Riverboat? Currently running parallel with Frontierland. Tom Sawyer Island is behind us. Country Bear Jamboree over there. It looks like possibly liver lips up there on the balcony. I'm not sure. No, that's not liver lips. I'm not sure which one that is. Behind Frontierland there in the distance you have Adventureland. The storm that has been promised seems to be rearing its head. That will probably be with us within the next half hour, 45 minutes. There is already lightning in the area. There's your once famous Splash Mountain, soon to be changed. Coming round to the wildest ride in the wilderness. Big Thunder Mountain. Yep, I can hear thunder now. There's also a little specks of rain at the moment.
We don't have needed
There's Adam the Woo's favourite animal. The goat. It's actually a ram. See, the things you find, I never even knew that little doggy down there existed. And the alligators. Native Indian settlement. We have the stall. That is fantastic. Right on cue with my favourite attraction in probably the whole of Walt Disney World. We have a storm right in front of the Haunted Mansion. Absolutely brilliant. Timing is everything. Thing of beauty right there. So this is the first rain we've really seen in 17 days. It's been totally bone dry all the way through, so we've been lucky. I did want a storm. This is a storm, and the thunder and lightning isn't about as much as I wanted it to be. The rain in total lasted for about possibly an hour. We just had the rainy day parade go down Main Street, but there was the daily parade turned up about 2:45, so I don't understand why you have that. I thought you only had that if it chucked you down and it missed the parade. Maybe it's something new they're doing. But yeah, the weather's cleared out. I did get my storm, I did enjoy that. And now we're off to do Carousel of Progress. There is the robin, our Mary Poppins lands on her feet.
Mr. Edison sure added life to our home. Whoa there, you'll blow a fuse. That's the third one this week. I buy fuses by the case. Uh-oh. And I've blown the whole neighborhood.